I want you to have a conversation with your families, okay? Do I want you to have a conversation with them in school or out of school? 4 questions. Well, if they're in school, if they work here, have a conversation with them. Question number 1. Ask your family, ask your moms and dads, ask your grandma and grandpas, have a conversation with them. Question number 1, what do you want me to do if somebody's making fun of me in school? What do you think they would say? Tell a teacher, have a conversation, maybe try to be nice to them. Fine. What's that? Okay, well, maybe they might. Question, so what's the first question? What do you want me to do if somebody's what? Making fun of me in school. Question number 2, what do you want me to do if somebody's hitting me in school? We know what the schools want you to do, but I want you to talk to your families, because there's kids that believe if they put their hands up to defend themselves, they're going to be suspended, which they might, and that's why they might be bullying lasts a lot longer. Okay? So question number 2, what do you want me to do if somebody's hitting me in school? Okay, what's the second question? Right. And then you get to choose, do you listen to your family or do you listen to your school? Question number 3, what do you want me to do if somebody's hitting me outside of school? Because maybe your families don't want you to defend yourself in school, but if you're at the park or you're at a sports game and somebody tries to bully you, you might be stuck thinking you're in school, but maybe there's different rules outside of school. Question, what's the third question? If somebody's hitting me out of school, what do you want me to do? And question number 4, what do you want me to do if somebody's making fun of me on a screen? What's a screen? Give me some examples of what has a screen. A phone. What else has a screen? A laptop. What else has a screen? iPad. Okay? What's that? A watch. Yeah, absolutely. If all of a sudden you're getting messages because some kids are bullying you on all these different things, it's up to you to have a conversation with people. Does that make sense? All right, question number 1. What do you want me to do if somebody's making fun of me? Say it nice and loud. Yeah, you ask your families. Question number 2, what do you want me to do if somebody's hitting me in school? And they may say something different than what your school tells you, and then you and your family get to make a choice. Question number 3, what do you want me to do if somebody's hitting me outside of school? And question number 4, what do you want me to do if somebody's making fun of me on a screen? Does that make sense? Okay. Is this like a weird conversation to have? Absolutely. Well, you're saying no. I love it. I appreciate that.
I think kids need to know what their options are.
Agreed. Agreed. She just said, I think people need to know what their options are before they get victimized. But here's the thing. You're not going to hear what I'm telling you from the school. You're going to hear this from other people. Okay? And it's up to you to take your brain and to think about what's better and what's safer for you. Does that make sense? Okay.